Welcome to Blockchain Vein, the future of AI, blockchain hacking and technology. Please like and subscribe. Welcome to Guardians of the Ledger, AI's crusade against crypto heists. A dive into the virtual trenches where fortunes are made and lost in bytes, and where artificial intelligence stands as the sentinel against the dark tide of cyber thefts. In this digital expanse, cryptocurrency emerges as a beacon of decentralized finance. Yet, where there is digital gold, there are digital bandits. Today, we peel back the layers of the shadowy world of crypto thefts and the AI guardians poised to combat them. Theft, the bane of the blockchain. Billions in crypto assets vanished. From the infamous Mt. Gox debacle to the Poly network pilferage, the audacity of hackers knows no bounds. In 2023, the crypto realm faced a heist wave, each more daring, each more devastating. Yet in this cyber siege, AI sentinels emerge. Advanced algorithms trained to detect the slightest anomaly stand ready. Their mission, to shield the virtual vaults of the world, to render the hackers' ploys futile. In the labyrinth of code, malware marches. Obj shells, the latest spectre, looms, courtesy of the notorious Blue Noroff. It's a stark herald of the escalating warfare between those who weave the web of security and those who seek to unravel it. Amidst this digital tumult, blockchain guardians stand watch. Their eyes, aided by the predictive prowess of AI, scan the horizon for the next assault. They are the bulwark, the unsung heroes of this silent war. But this saga is not one of machines alone. It's etched with the stories of humans, the architects, the guardians, the everyday folk, for whom this digital odyssey is not just a tale of technology, but of life itself. And as the waves of regulations seek to temper the crypto tempest, the quest for balance ensues. How will the sentinels of order marry the need for innovation with the imperatives of governance? As we stand at the dawn of AI defense, a new chapter begins. From the ashes of cyber skirmishes emerges a vanguard of AI, the new guardians of the ledger, the stalwart sentinels in the crusade against crypto heists. Stepping into the vanguard of this digital defense, AI stands tall. These automated defenders, tireless and ever-evolving, are leading the charge in the relentless battle against crypto thefts. From their humble beginnings as simple algorithms, they've evolved into sophisticated systems, capable of outthinking and outmaneuvering the most devious of cybercriminals. As we look to the future, we see an era of cybersecurity fortified by AI, a beacon of hope in the murky depths of the crypto world. In this labyrinth of code, AI is our most trusted guide and guardian. Yet, behind every AI sentinel, there's a human touch. In this world of zeros and ones, it is the human intelligence that shapes, builds and guides these AI guardians. It is our creativity that dreams up new ways to combat the ever-evolving threats of cybercrime. The synergy between human intelligence and AI is the key to our defense. A symbiosis where the strength of one complements the other. The fight against crypto thefts is not just a battle of algorithms, but also a testament to our resilience and ingenuity. Behind every AI sentinel, there's a human touch. As we gaze into the future, the crypto landscape is set to change. We see a world where AI is not just a guardian, but an active architect, shaping the very bedrock of our digital transactions. It's a world where the lines between human intelligence and artificial intelligence blur, creating a formidable fortress of security. Yet this future is not without its challenges. The crypto world will continue to evolve, throwing new curveballs, creating new vulnerabilities. The future of crypto security is a tale yet to be written, but one thing is certain: AI will be a part of it. In the end, the guardians of the ledger stand ready. They are the warriors in an ongoing battle, a battle that pits the brilliance of human and artificial intelligence against the ever-evolving world of crypto thefts. Together, these guardians, both human and AI, work tirelessly to secure our digital transactions, to keep our investments safe. Despite the challenges, despite the uncertainties, they stand resolute. Their eyes are on the horizon, their hearts steadfast. They are the sentinels, the vanguards, the guardians of our crypto world. And as they look towards the future, their resolve only strengthens. We stand at the dawn of a new era in crypto security, an era where the guardians of the ledger are ready to write the next chapter of this thrilling saga. In the end, the guardians of the ledger stand ready, their eyes on the horizon, their hearts steadfast.